Hi, welcome to the practice questions on being able to round to the nearest whole number. What I'd like you to do now is to pause the video, have a go at these 4 questions, rounding them to the nearest whole number, and when you're happy with your answers, then start the video again and have a look at all the model answers and see if you've made any mistakes. So if you now pause the video and have a go at the questions. Okay, question 1. What we're doing here, we're trying to round this to the nearest whole number or integer. An integer is just a whole number. It can be positive, but it can also be negative, but it can't be a fraction or a decimal. So let's have a look at the first one, 13.2. To round this to the nearest whole number, all we need to do is we look at the first number after the decimal point. This number's a 2, so it's closer to 0 than it is to 10. So if that's the case, this number rounds to 13. Question 2. Exactly the same thing. Look at the number after the decimal point. This number's closer to 10 than what it is to 0. So that means that the number rounds up to the nearest integer. So this one becomes 137. For question 3, there's 3 decimal places there, 3 numbers after the decimal point. So basically these 2 don't matter. It's only this one that's important. So look at the number directly after the decimal point. This is closer to 0 than it is to 10, so this number stays as 95. And finally, question 4. 83.5, we've got one number after the decimal point. Now, this time, the 5 is directly in the middle. If the number after the decimal point is 5 or above, the number in front of it rounds up. So this one rounds up to 84 to the nearest integer.